Lynn on Twitter. Have you seen any weaver bird nests? That's exactly what I'm just about to show you. So fantastic. You must have sent me a thought message there, Lynn. Thank you very much. And very appropriately too that you tweeted that message to us. I might have to get around the other side to show you this. Let's see how we go. Is that too backlit for you there, VM? Would you like me to pull down next to there, mate?
Take a look.
It's a little bit backlit, isn't it? What do you think?
Okay, go around.
Go around and down, and then you might be able to get a bit better shot. Just got to be a little bit careful here, folks, because this is the edge of the water point, so I don't want to go sinking into this. See an individual come back. They might just need to get used to the vehicle. Here comes one now. Okay, let's have a little look at those pictures and watch the busyness. Beautiful little bird. It's a southern masked weaver, and they're very busy at the moment building their nests to attract you see a difference between the male and the female. That's the female, and then you'll get a male with a beautiful, beautiful black mask on his face. Got this fantastic sort of sizzling sound about there. Zick, 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 sort of a sound. And these males will spend immense amounts of energy building these nests to impress and try and attract a female. They're another common resident. So off they fly, and they'll go off and get some more grass, and they'll come flying back in a second, and we'll watch them come back. There's a couple more around the other side, but these three nests that we can see, there's a couple of nests in the picture that we can see being built at different stages. Very beautiful bird. Some people even have them in their gardens in Africa, in the bigger cities. They're not fussy as long as they've got adequate food supply. Just waiting for them to come back. Here they come. Oh, there's one. Off they fly. So they're busy building nests, and if the female, there you go, come back, and he's displaying there to try and attract a female to come and look at his nest. And if she comes and looks at it and decides that it's he's built a good enough house for her, she will then take up residence. He's doing a beautiful display there. And if she doesn't take up residence, he'll throw his toys out of the cot and destroy it and start again. So it's an incredible amount of work, but sure enough, he'll try his best, and if he doesn't get females in there, yep, he'll destroy it and start that all over again. Seeing some beautiful behaviour. Pamela's just asking us on Twitter if the males and the females build a nest together. No, it's only the males, Pamela, that build the nest. They do all the work on building that and trying to attract. Oh, there goes one inside. He might have a bit of luck there. He's just got a potential resident to take up his humble abode with him. Isn't that fantastic? We may have just seen a marriage made in heaven there, folks. But no, it's the males that do the breeding, the building, and if he doesn't get a suitable candidate to take up residence, he will destroy that and start all over again. Wow. She just went straight inside there, so that's got to be, he's got to be quite chuffed with himself there, folks. Chasing males off, another one. Isn't that brilliant? Exactly what we're watching right now is what we were just talking about. So he was on the, he's done well for himself, and she's gone inside there. And this is where it will all happen. So beautiful, beautiful bird, southern masked weaver, and we'll start to get them in many other locations as well, and try and stop and enjoy them a little bit more as time goes on. You can never get tired of watching them build. They've got that beautiful, it's a very, very relaxing sound. I was talking to VM about them the other day, and he said he's got them in his garden, and it's quite a calming sound, you said, mate, yeah? Yeah. It's quite a soothing sort of a sound. They're a super little bird, always active, always great to watch. They're coming into their full breeding season now, which will be the heavier breeding season is September, October, November, December through to sort of February, and then the shoulders of that are just March, April, and then they're not breeding in sort of May and June, but really, really great birds. Okay.